Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are fine. Now in this video we have a look of Holochain crypto. What's the price prediction, what's the high price, and what is the good news and what is the bad news. In this video I will go to show you with a live proof, and I'm also show you it is the best time to buy, sell or hold Holochain. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel So friends, let's start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of Holochain. After that we decide according to the price prediction of Holochain that it's time to buy, sell or hold Holochain crypto in a market. As you can see here at this time, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour you are watching now. So friends, if we see the average change of Holochain crypto, so the average change is positive 0.17%. absolutely not bad, a good change as you can see here. So if we look the chart analysis of Holochain, so now currently they are jumping upward friends, and the current price of Holochain is not in millions. The Holochain price in current time is $0.027367 is the high price of Holochain. Friend, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. Let's see the last 2 hour price prediction of Holochain crypto and cryptocurrencies market. Friends, as you can see here, if we look the average level, the previous hour they also take a jump, but unfortunately currently they are in the falls as you can see here. So friends, if we see the average change of Holochain in the previous last 2 hours, so very bad change, negative 1.91% change occur in the Holochain in the previous last 2 hour friends. So for decision of the buy, sell or hold, we have to look the previous last 1 week result, last 1 week price prediction of Holochain. So let's see the last 7-day price prediction of Holochain crypto. So friends, now it's at this time it is clear for all of Holochain holders. As you can see here, they are continuously jumping upward in the previous last 7 days. As you can see here, last 7-day price prediction you are watching now. So friends, it is clear that in the previous last 7 days they are continues their travel to the success. They are grows up, they are taking jumping in the previous last 7 days. Friends, let me see the average change of Holochain in the previous last 7 days. So the average change is positive 164.21% change occur in the Holochain. Absolutely good change of cryptocurrencies. And a lot of people also said that April is a Holochain month. So friends, my suggestion for all of you that if you want to make money in the cryptocurrencies, so buy a Holochain and make a good amount of profit. And if you are a holder of Holochain, so hold your Holochain with the end of this month. So friends, hope this video helpful for all of you. If you want this kind of more news and update about cryptocurrencies market, so remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.